Every time I go out and I have my mutabbal, sometimes it's really bitter and I don't really understand what's happening. Anyways, I'm gonna teach you this secret, how to remove this bitterness. This is one of the Lebanese recipes that it's very famous and you can see it all over the restaurant when you go to Lebanon. And it have really a sort of exceptional flavor. It's smoky, it's light, it's vegetarian, and everyone loves it. It is known as mutabbal. Hello beautiful people! Before we start the recipe, I am going to teach you something that you never heard before. You know, first of all, an eggplant is not a vegetable, it's a fruit. Do you know that the eggplants have males and females? And do you know what's the difference? Well, when you look at behind of the eggplant and you see a round shape, this means it's a male. And when we talk about male eggplants, they always have less seeds, which means less bitter. And when we talk about females, it have a sort of dash behind. This is where they contain much more seed, which cause the eggplant to be much more bitter. Now you know the big secret to make the perfect mutabbal. Lovely people, I have made a beautiful Lebanese recipe essential playlist. I am going to teach you a lot of really interesting, authentic Lebanese dishes. You can find it over there. Check it out because it is beautiful. So first we're going to add our eggplant on a charcoal grill. We're going to leave them for 10 to 20 minutes. We're going to turn them from time to time until they are very tender. And the secret of putting them basically on the charcoal, because this is where we're gonna have the smoky flavor that we're looking for. And this is the most important aspect while making any mutabbal dish. YouTubers, what is your favorite Lebanese recipe? Really, you have to tell me. Leave a comment and let me know. Second of all, we're gonna place them on a cutting board. We're gonna bring our spoon. We're gonna cut it in the middle. Now we're gonna remove the pulp of the eggplant, as you can see in this video. We're gonna discard the pulp from the skin, then we're gonna set them on the side. Now we're gonna strain the eggplant to remove the excess water. And then in a bowl, we're gonna add the pulp of the eggplant. We're gonna add the tahini paste. When we talk about tahini paste, everyone thinks that it's the same thing. No, beautiful people, it is not the same thing. You truly have to choose a good one. We're gonna add a bit of labneh, and labneh will add more creamy texture to it. Then we're gonna add a pinch of salt, the lemon juice. We're gonna whisk them and whisk until everything is properly soft. To make the final decoration, there's a lot of way as well of making it, but I prefer always to add mince, a bit of pomegranate, some radish, a bit of sumac and olive oil on the top. Guys, don't get lost. Mutabbal, it is when we add sesame paste to it. When we talk about baba ganoush, it's basically the salad, the chopped eggplants with the olive oil and things like that. Lovely people, if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you very soon. All right, ciao.